This is a public health update from the San Gabriel Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District. The San Gabriel Valley Mosquito and Vector Control District is a public health agency that provides ongoing mosquito and vector control for its residents. This public health update includes information about West Nile virus and invasive Aedes mosquitoes. Did you know that the mosquito is the most dangerous animal on Earth? That's right, mosquito-borne diseases are responsible for more human deaths worldwide than all the other animals combined. Mosquitoes kill approximately 1 million people every year. Failure to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes on your property is a violation of the California Health and Safety Code. The district is currently focusing on two primary public health concerns, both dealing with mosquitoes. The first is West Nile virus, and the second is 3 invasive mosquito species the district calls invasive Aedes. West Nile virus is the most predominant mosquito-borne disease in California. Its symptoms can include high fever, headache, muscle aches, and joint pain. In severe cases, usually in patients with compromised immune systems, symptoms can include the swelling of the brain and spinal cord, muscle weakness, paralysis, coma, and even death. There is currently no vaccine and no treatment for West Nile virus. In 2015, there were 24 deaths in Los Angeles County and 53 deaths statewide. West Nile virus is endemic in California, which means that it is an ongoing threat that does not go away. This is because the virus is carried by birds and spread through the bite of mosquitoes. The virus is transmitted between birds and mosquitoes year-round, and as the infected population grows, so does the risk for transmission to incidental hosts like humans and horses. There is currently a vaccine for horses, but not for humans. The only way for humans to protect themselves is to reduce the population of mosquitoes and prevent mosquito bites. You can prevent mosquito bites by following a few simple suggestions. First, wear an effective mosquito repellent and protective clothing when outdoors while mosquitoes are active. Choose a repellent with one of 4 active ingredients approved by the EPA. Those ingredients are DEET, picaridin, IR3535, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. Protective clothing should be long sleeves and long pants, light in color and loose fitting. Mosquitoes that transmit West Nile virus are most active around dusk and dawn, so take extra precautions during those times. Also, make sure that all your windows and doors are covered with tight-fitting screens that are in good repair. Quickly repair or replace screens that have tears or holes. Lastly, regularly inspect your property and dump and drain standing water where mosquitoes can grow. Another threat to public health that the district is currently addressing is the infestation of invasive Aedes mosquitoes. There are currently 3 species in Los Angeles County: Aedes albopictus, Aedes nodoscriptus, and Aedes aegypti. All 3 behave very differently than the native species which are common in California. Most notably, they bite aggressively during the day, which is something residents in California are not used to. They also bite multiple hosts per blood meal, which makes them more efficient at spreading diseases. These mosquitoes can transmit several viruses, including Zika, dengue, and chikungunya. They lay their eggs and grow in very small containers of water, such as bottle caps and plastic bags. They attach their eggs to the inside of the containers, making them extremely difficult to remove. Eggs can also lay dormant for several months, even in dry containers, waiting for the right conditions to hatch. Invasive Aedes have evolved to live closely with humans and prefer an urban environment. They can live their entire lives indoors, breeding in flower vases and houseplants. Pesticide treatments provide only short-term relief, and the only long-term solution is removing the sources of water they need to lay their eggs and grow. Because these mosquitoes only need a small amount of water to grow, and because these containers are most commonly found in backyards, we need your help. Any container that holds more than a teaspoon of water for more than a few days can grow mosquitoes. Here are some examples of common household sources. We often find mosquitoes growing in bromeliad plants, old tires, plant saucers, and recyclables. We have even found mosquitoes growing in bottle caps filled with sprinkler water. Please inspect your property today to identify and remove items that may grow mosquitoes. Here is what immature mosquitoes look like. If you find water with anything swimming around in it, dump it out on the ground immediately. During your initial yard inspection, look for any man-made or natural container that will hold more than a teaspoon of water. Put these items into one of three categories. The first category is the stuff that can be thrown away or permanently removed. These things include trash and debris, old tires, broken water fixtures, and bromeliad plants. The second category includes items that you want to keep but can be stored in a dry place. This category may include things like tools, children's toys, watering cans, buckets, and trash cans. The last category is for things that you know hold water, but you want to keep them in the yard. These are things like bird baths, fountains, decorative pots, or water features. These items you will need to inspect every few days and scrub out every few weeks with a brush and warm soapy water. Thank you for listening to this very important public health message, and thank you for doing your part to prevent mosquitoes from growing on your property. If you have any questions or you would like to request a free property inspection, please call 626-814-9466 or visit our website at www.sgvmosquito.org. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at SGV Mosquito. Thank you, and have a great day.